Hi, boys and girls. We're going to be talking about irregular verbs today. That's our grammar focus for today, is irregular verbs. So not all verbs, when we make them past tense, add ed. Okay, the ones that we normally do, most verbs, when we make them past tense, we do add that ed. But for irregular verbs, they have special spellings to make them past tense. For example, if we have the present tense word come, almost knocked that out. The present tense verb come, the past tense would be came. For example, we come to school in the morning. That would be present tense. We came to school last month. Okay, that would be past tense. For another example, present tense, do. We do our work every day. We did our homework last week. That's past tense. Notice for each past tense, we did not add ed. That makes them irregular verbs. Other examples, say, that's the present tense. The past tense would be said. Present tense, go. Past tense, went. Present tense, eat. Past tense, ate. Present tense, sing. Past tense, sang. So for all of these verbs, to make them past tense, we did not add the ed. If we do not add ed, that makes it an irregular verb. Let's take a look at our first sentence at the bottom. We have the present tense, come. We're going to turn that into past tense to add to our sentence. We have a clue, yesterday, that tells us this is going to be a past tense sentence. So our verb needs to be past tense because we're using the word yesterday. So to make come past tense, what would that be? So we would add in here our past tense version of come, which would be came. An author came to our school yesterday. So this tells us it is past tense, and we know that it is an irregular past tense verb because it did not add ed. Let's take a look at the second sentence, and I want you to pause the video right now and go get your interactive notebook so we can write this sentence into our interactive notebook. Go ahead and pause the video to go get that. Okay, now that you have gotten your interactive notebook, I want you to rewrite this sentence and use the present tense verb sing in its past tense in the blank. So you're going to turn sing into its past tense in order to complete the sentence. Go ahead and write that, pause the video, and write this sentence into your interactive notebook. Now that you've done that, you've rewritten this sentence, let me put it up a little bit higher here, a little bit lower, get it right one of these times. Okay, the word that you should have written in should have been sang. So I sang a song for our school talent show. That's past tense. And it is an irregular verb because we did not add ed. Okay, so for the next one, number 3, I want you to go ahead, pause the video, and rewrite this sentence, changing do into its past tense. And remember, there's a clue in this sentence, last year, that tells us this is a past tense sentence. So we need to change do into its past tense form. Go ahead and pause the video to do that. Rewrite it in your interactive notebook. Okay, now that you've rewritten it, you should have, instead of do, our past tense would be did. Cam did the same juggling act as last year. That is our past tense. And because we didn't add ed, we know that do is an irregular verb. Okay, nice job today. You can go ahead and close your interactive notebooks and put them away.